and we are back for the next part. Time to start. So as you remember last time, we finished out our lineup. Now we are colouring. The part I mostly hate because shading is annoying. That's why I have decided in the time that I wasn't recording and trying to fix the timeout, which it didn't really fix. I was deciding, should I do shading? Well, your answer is no, I am not doing shading because it's too hard. If you do your paws like this, you actually get some toes. Well, paws anyway. Let's do the eye. I want dark green and light green. That's how I do my eyes. This is 3 parts long now. Ridiculous. It's gonna be like a chocolate chip cookie wolf. I like chocolate chip cookies. So do my friends. One of my friends are crazy about them all the time. They don't like any cookie. They like chocolate chip cookies. Hint, you know who I'm talking about, you. Not the people watching, just a friend that's obviously watching this video right now. He always watches videos from his friends. Unless he absolutely hates us. Which sometimes he does. Congratulations, I did not fall asleep in the last video. This is... yes, it is still like 7:30 in the night. Oh! Commentating is boring. Not talking to anyone. I'm talking to myself. Oh, I'm alone. So, what have you guys been doing? I've been doing utter all. This is all I've been doing all day. Literally. I've not done anything else today but this. Unless I've been playing Pixel 1, of course, because Pixel 1's amazing. This chocolate chip cookie wolf is not just going to be chocolate chip, it's going to have some blue mint in it. There we go, some blue mint in our cookie. Maybe I should make the eyes blue then if it's a chocolate chip cookie. Be a better idea. Chocolate chip and mint cookie. Oh wow, 3 minutes, perfect. It's gonna run. It works. Chocolate chip cookie wolf by Little KB1 Aja. Did I say Little KB3 before? Don't listen to that. Please. You have ruined my fame and fortune. Nah, just kidding. If you heard that before, that's perfectly fine. Oh wait, if I didn't say that before, I just told you guys. Jeez. It isn't my old account though. Put that E back in. That E back in. Okay, there's my E. I'm really crap at spelling. Oh, sorry. Cookie. One colour. Blue. Dark blue because I want to. Sorry. Voila, there you go, there's the chocolate chip Cookie Wolf. I'll leave a link to my DeviantArt in the description below if you want to download this drawing. I'll even put my signature on it for you guys. There you go. It's my signature. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so if you guys like this video, please rate, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.